so that better to provide me the particular amount of royalty from his amount. So this is the claim is the legal part. You have to keep you have to make sure this claim must be in safe and secure form, and it must be right in such a way that everything, every features of your product or a process must be included in those claims, so that nobody those claim. If anybody else who comes and infringe your claim, then you have to make sure you go and sue that person on any high court, on any supreme court, or any apex court in our country, so that you can get the royalty of that particular claim. Now come to the complete specification part. What complete specification? You must have an abstract, you must have a summary of invention, you must have an what you call the drawing part, you must have any number of claim, the legal part. After having everything, we call folder, and just make it a complete specification of. And another one, what are the things you have to provide? The form 3. Form 3, I will show you how it looks. Form 3, see, this is the form 3. No, sorry, this is a form 2. Form 3 is not there, I think. It is not there. I will show you somewhere else. Okay. Okay. So you have to have the form 2, form 5, form 9, and form 18. These are the things you just wrote, write it down somewhere else. Form 1, form 2, form 3, form 5, form 9, and form 18. These 5 things you must keep in hand before filing any patent. Okay. So after filing everything in the form 1, you have to go through form 2. Form 2C. Form 2, again you have to mention the title of invention, who are the applicant, whether this is having a provisional application or complete specification, what are the description, you have to mention the description, the detail of your application, you have to find out the claim, this is the legal part, you have to write down everything, the feature of your invention there. Now you have to put your date and signature along with the abstract of invention. The form 2 is now ready, and now it is going for any patent application. Now come to the most important part, is form 18. Sir, is it visible, sir? Form 18. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, see this is the most important form of Indian Patent Office. Examination of the application for patent. Until and unless we are not filing form 18 with our own application, our examination will not get processed. The day we will file the form 18, on that very day our examination will start, and within 6 months you will get your first examination report. After getting your first examination report, actually what we do, we just give out some objection on your invention and we put it on your correspondence address. What you will do after getting that FAR, in that FAR, that is a first examination report, you are having certain objection, you just to clarify those objection. So after reply those objection, what we will do, we just read out those objection and we are asking for again hearing. During the hearing process, we'll ask you certain question. We'll ask you how your invention is better than the existing one, where the invention lies, what are the future application of your invention, what are the commercial aspect of your invention. After satisfied from the hearing from your side, now we are on a position to grant that patent. So actually, if you go through phase by phase in a particular way, within 12 to 13 months, you are getting a patent of your product and process. See, this is the normal way. In 2018, as per the Indian government, we again formulate a different process. What is the different process? That is the expedite examination. What is expedite examination? Suppose I as a startup, I want to stay in the market very long term. If my product will be available in the market very early, then my production will be early. If my production will be early, my return will be early. If I am getting more return, my wealth generation capacity will be very high. If I am getting more wealth from the market, my R&D investment also get increases. So by keeping those things in mind, what our Indian government formulate? We formulate as a rule of expedite examination. Expedite examination means if any person, who are the person, either he may be a natural person, or he may be a startup, or he may be any girl or lady, or he may or sorry, she may be a girl or lady, or it may be any government institution or any government organization. If he want to file a patent, so by filing form 18A, ordinarily we are filing only form 18. If you are going for expedite examination, you have to file form 18A. If you are filing form 18A, within a month your patent application get examined. After examination, you are getting an FAR. Within 6 months, your FAR get recognized. You will be get here from our Indian Patent Office, and within 7 to 8 months on record, within 7 to 8 months, you will get a patent. So, if you are processed through expedite examination by filing form 18A along with form 1, form 2, form 3, form 5 and form 9, you are getting a patent of your product or process within 6 to 7 months. So keep in mind, if any person who want to pay a form 18A amount, he can proceed an expedite examination and he can get a patent of his product and process within 6 to 7 months. Initially, for natural person, for natural ordinary process, it will take 12 to 13 months. But after expedite examination, it will take only 6 to 7 months. So those people who are thinking that whenever my idea will be there, I won't get patent, with it will take 3 to 4 years, gone are those days. We are having those system, yes, we are lacking those system, but after 2018, we are putting those things in place such that any person who want to pursue for a patent application in ordinary way will get a patent within 12 to 13 months. If he want to proceed in an expedite way, he will get a patent in 6 to 7 months. So this is the things, this is the awareness we must have in our mind, and we must work so that within 6 to 7 months in expedite way we will get a patent, or in ordinary way we will get 12 to 13 months we will get a patent. So this is the way why we're just saying those things. Now come to this is the form 18. Okay, yes. Now come to the what you call the sir. This slide is visible, sir. Patent grant procedure.
Okay, sir. Visible, sir. This is.
Yes.
The 19th, so, 19th, no. This is.
Yes,
slide
yes,
19.
sir.
It is slide 19.
Yes. 19.
Okay. Visible, sir.
Now, sir, 19 visible.
Visible, sir. Visible.
Okay. So this is the crux of our Indian patent system. All the participants, I urge you, just keep your mind and eye open and just see this process. And I'm again telling you, this is the process where you just go. You have to go through, otherwise you won't get patent in a very timely manner. See, the grant procedure consists of the filing of a patent. See, generally publication happens after 18 months. But if you want an early publication, you have to file form 9. If you file form 9, your patent will get published in Indian Patent Journal. Sorry, your application will get published in Indian Patent Journal within a month. Until and unless your application is not published, it will not get examination. So if somebody just put an early publication by filing form 9, within a month he is ready to file form 18. After filing form 18, his application will get examined. After examination, we will provide an FAR, that is the first examination report. Then you will reply us those examination. After hearing, you will get grant or refusal of patent. So this time period will take for ordinary application 12 to 13 months. If you are going for expedite examination, it will take 7 to 8 months. Okay. After grant of patent, again your patent will get published in Indian Patent Journal, which will publish in every Friday of our in India, that is in the Indian Patent Journal for the publication of a grant of patent. So your work is published twice. During the early publication, that is in the Indian Patent Journal, your application is get published, your idea is get published, and after grant, your patent also get published with the patent number in our Indian Patent Journal. So you are getting two publication. So these are the process. This is a grant procedure we are going through in our Indian patent system. Now come to some people who are asking me, suppose sir, I am working on a particular lab, some other person also working inside, but suppose I am working on a particular diesel motor, and somebody come and just see my idea and he just filed everything before my filing. So what I will do? So for that one, we are having two opposition system, the pre-grant opposition system and the post-grant opposition system. Suppose somebody else takes your idea and file the patent before you, and you came to know after publication of that particular application. After publication of that particular application, you came to know that no, it's my idea, somebody has taken from me and just publish it in the Indian Patent Journal. What you will do? After that publication, you just approach Indian patent system just by giving a form 7A. Nothing else. Put a form 7A. That is a pre-grant opposition. That means before the grant of that particular patent, particular application, you are opposing. You are saying that this is my idea, somebody has taken from me and is filing it. So what you will do, you just give a representation by filing form 7A to Indian Patent Office. On that side, what we will do, we will formulate a committee, we will verify everything. If that idea is yours, then those people who has taken the idea from you, that will be not patent. And what is the plus point of that particular idea? That particular filing now proceed onwards with the name of you. That means it will get again easy for you. Whatever the time he has stolen from you, that will get back to you by just taking those idea from that point onwards on your name. So this is one advantage in pre-grant opposition. Suppose during the examination and after up to the grant of the patent, I didn't came to know. When the product came to market, I came to know, oh, this is my own idea, my own product, somebody has taken from me. He has filed it and he also got a grant, he also get the patent from that particular product. At that time also, you have to approach the Indian Patent Office, and that particular process is known as post-grant opposition. What you will do before the 1 year of the grant of the patent, you have to approach the Indian Patent Office again with form 7. You are saying that, sir, this is my idea and it has been granted to somebody else. So at that point of time, what we will do, we just make a committee. That committee will already examine everything, and after getting those results, that after getting convinced from that committee that these things are taken from you and it was just mollified by somebody else, then we stop that product. We stop that patented product or that person. What we will do, we just revoke that patent, and we can further proceed that patent on behalf of you by providing certain application fee or certain document whichever needed our Indian patent system. So this is the whole grant patent procedure which are generally we deal with our own Indian patent system. Until now, what we did, how we can convert an idea or innovation into a patentable format. After patentable format, how we can write everything, what are the form required to go for an Indian patent system, what are the form required, form 1, form 2, form 3, form 5, form 9 and form 18. 5 form you must keep in mind. Now the timeline, if somebody want to go through ordinary phase, he can go for form 18. If somebody else go for expedite one, you can proceed with Form 18(1). For ordinary, you will get a patent 12 to 13 months. For expedited examination, you will get a patent 7 to 8 months. So up to till now, again for pre-grant opposition, for post-grant opposition, up to till now, we came to know how we'll convert our idea into a patentable format and how we can file in Indian Patent Office so that our idea or our product or our process will get patented in a very meantime. Okay, till now we have discussed these things. Now the next one we'll discuss how we'll write those idea in very presentable form so that it will get patented very easily. See, again I will tell you, patent document is a techno-legal term. We are expertise in technical world, but we are not expertise in legal world. That's why we hire the patent agent, the patent attorney, who just write down everything in such a way that those ideas which are not in patentable format, it get patentable format. But if you just increase your expertise just a mere value so that your legal work also get notified. So based on this presentation, I just try to make you understandable how to write those things so that it will granted very easily in Indian patent system, because it is just like a what we call the legal work. How to use the see, we know where the technical expert one, but we need to put those legal word keep in place so that it will easily access in Indian patent system. Okay, sir. Again, I will take another 25 to 30 minutes. Shall I continue, sir?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes.
Patent
Yes,
drafting.
visible,
Patent
visible.
drafting, visible.
Okay. Right. So till now we just keep in mind how to generate an idea, how to just screen those idea, how to do experimentation, how to generate the data. So patent drafting, main thing is just put those data into presentable form. Just put those data into a schematic way so that the patent officer who are examining those things, they can easily access those data, and with very few objection, he can easily granted those product or the process. Okay, so during our drafting, we will keep to learn how we can write a patent application, how we'll write a complete specification, how we'll write an abstract, how we'll write a summary of invention, how we'll write the claim part, and most importantly, how we'll provide the working example or our idea or our product or process. So one by one.